I'm Tina.
I'm Ross.
And we have our next unboxing of our Universal Yums box. So Universal Yums is a monthly subscription box with snacks from different countries each month. So this month we have South Korea is our featured country.
Nice.
So it comes with a map each month and also a guide that gives you facts and trivia about the country and also information about each snack. So you know a little bit about what you're trying, and it also gives you information about any allergens that are in the snacks.
Yes.
Now this particular box arrived, although it arrived in the morning, it arrived on a very hot day.
It did. Maybe you can see where this is going.
Yeah, so some of these items we put directly in the refrigerator after we opened it. So we don't know what shape these snacks are going to be in, but we'll find out in a minute.
Yes.
So we have everything unboxed and we're ready to sample them. And first up, I think we have our one savory item. This is spicy chicken corn puffs. And I think you were very interested in trying these.
I am. Just as you pointed out, it's the only savory item that we have. Typically, in these Universal Yum boxes, there's at least, I believe, 2
Usually
savory
there are
items.
2, and then the rest are sweet. So there is a look at one of them.
Okay. Tina,
They do have a little kick to them, but they taste good. I like them. It does have a little warning there. Hot.
Mine wasn't spicy.
Really?
Yeah.
At all?
Maybe
There
I
you have
should-
another.
Or 2.
Or 3. They have a little bit of sweetness to them.
Mm-hmm.
Little sweetness, a little spice. And the booklet actually calls them Korean fried chicken balls.
Yeah. Okay, that was spicy. Yeah.
I feel like I might need a little water. No, not overly spicy, but you can definitely, in the back of my throat, I'm starting to feel it.
Yeah. Ditto.
But those are good, but I can
Yeah.
definitely see they can probably start catching up with you once you have several of them, because I'm starting to notice the more I eat, the spicier it feels. But, yeah, those were good.
Yeah. Those were a plus.
Next up, we have churros. Totally unexpected for a South Korean box, but I guess they are fairly popular in Korea. Yeah, go ahead and use the seal on that one. Yeah, it says, at first available only at amusement parks or movie theaters, churros exploded in 2010 thanks to the opening of chains like Street Churros and Churro 101.
These smell fantastic. Look at that. That's a big whiff.
Oh, that does smell nice. Now I love cinnamon and sugar anyway, that combination. Mm.
Mm. Mm. Those are good.
Those are nice. Now they are crunchy. Usually when we have churros, they're a bit softer and chewier, but these are a nice snack. I like that.
And I was expecting something way more sugary. Because I know in a lot of videos we've done, we mentioned Trader Joe's quite a bit. And Trader Joe's had a churro bag snack, and it seemed like it was just 50% sugar. I mean, they were addictive. They were
really sweet,
really good.
I was surprised at the size of them. On the bag, I thought they were going to be like the full-length churros, which are usually about like that long or so. And there's little bite-sized ones.
Yeah, nice. Not sugary sweet. That's something what I was expecting, but they have a nice cinnamon flavor.
Almost like those Cinnamon Crunch cereals.
That's exactly Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But crunchier, I think. Crunchier and
Yes.
maybe not quite as sweet. Nice.
I agree with that. 2 wins so far.
Yeah, and those were 2 that I was not worried about being damaged in the heat. And now we're getting, the last 4 are iffy. So let's see,
Yeah.
what do you want to approach next?
There was one package that I believe you picked up. Was this, and this felt like one gelatinous mass.
It felt very liquidy.
And I think this is the one that you picked up. And it's, okay, quickly, life support, put it in their fridge, and let's see what happens.
Yeah, these are the Korean strawberry gummies, and I do love gummies, and I love strawberry, so I was really looking forward to these, and so I hope they are salvageable. I mean, and maybe it'll just be one big gummy that we'll eat on.
Well, you're in luck.
How's it look?
Mm.
Oh, they don't look too bad. I think some of them may be stuck together.
Yeah.
So they look like little strawberries, and they got kind of that white side on the other side.
They smell fantastic.
They do smell good. As gummies are concerned, you know, strawberry is one of my favorite flavors, I think. Strawberry, grape,
Watermelon.
cherry, watermelon, and now blackcurrant.
Yeah, these are very good. I'd get those again.
Yeah, these are good. Not necessarily that very natural strawberry flavor like we've found in our Boxu Japanese snack box, but a good artificial strawberry flavor, I think.
Yeah. And grateful that it's not one big gelatinous mass. Yeah.
Yeah, these actually look pretty good. I can't remember if we even showed the full package here. I don't know if you can kind of see what they look like inside. So
Proof it's not one big gelatinous
yeah,
mass.
I was really afraid that's what because that's what it felt like when we first opened the box. So yeah, very happy with that.
Good.
This is sour grape chews. This is another one that I thought this one might be okay. It felt a little soft, but I think it can recover. We'll see.
Yep.
Part of it is I feel like the packaging is kind of sticking to it, so
Maybe because of the heat.
I think that might be it. Sorry,
Okay.
it's partially open.
It kind of reminds me of an hour later. Just
Yeah, it has this familiar grape flavor. Is it? Remember Grape Bubblicious gum?
Yeah.
Does it remind you of that?
What was it? Hubba Bubba chewing gum.
Was it Hubba Bubba? Maybe it was Hubba Bubba. I can't remember. One of those two. They had a grape flavored gum, and this kind of reminds me of that.
It's like a grape starburst. Getting the sour.
So it does have the texture of a Starburst, but I don't recall having a grape flavored Starburst, especially not a sour one.
Yeah, not one as sour as that.
I don't remember that flavor at all. Was it a special package or?
Yeah.
I don't recall.
Different.
Yeah, they're good. Nice for a chewy candy.
Yeah.
So next, let's go for the Popero Crunchy. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Popero. Korea, #1 brand, chocolate and biscuit, it says.
So, I'm afraid this one might be damaged by the heat.
Yeah, with the dipped in chocolate, we shall see.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it's not worse. They are a bit. I don't think they're supposed to be all stuck together like that. Yeah. So we'll just have to break them off, and yeah, the chocolate's kind of melted to the wrapper. So this one didn't fare quite as well. In fact, the chocolate's melting on my fingers.
Yeah, this is a mess.
Yeah.
Sesame seed?
So I was trying to figure out what that crunchy is. This says cocoa dip biscuit sticks.
It's not bad. So I thought I tasted sesame seeds, and you're not seeing any.
I don't see sesame seeds on the ingredients. I do see almonds. So maybe they're little cut up almonds, possibly?
Maybe toasted. Maybe that's
Not
what's.
sure.
Maybe small almond pieces and they're toasted. Maybe that's what's
Yeah.
giving it the sesame seed flavor. It's not bad. Just ours is very messy.
And the allergens do say that they have almonds and peanuts in them. So that might be with a little crunchy outside. But we had to throw those right back in the fridge because they're really melting quickly.
Right. Okay.
And last but not least, we have a banana choco pie.
Now, have you had choco pies before?
I've had moon pies.
Moon pie.
Yeah, just like once.
But,
This one looks like it didn't do too poorly. When I first felt it, it felt very soft and squishy. So I thought it was going to be a total exploded mess in there, but it looks like it survived okay. I'm really curious about the banana flavor. I think, and does it also have marshmallow in it, I believe?
Yeah, I believe this is.
Yeah, marshmallow filled pie. All right.
There you go. Mmm.
I like that. I always like the chocolate and banana flavors together.
It was good.
It's nice. I wouldn't say it's the softest, moistest cake I've ever had, but it's still good.
Yeah. I'll definitely get these again.
I wish we had more.
Yes.
Of course, that's the nice thing about Universal Yums. If you see anything you like, they do have an online store where you can purchase past products.
Yeah, nice thing about that, like the moment you put in your mouth, is that immediate banana flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like that one.
Yeah, I think it's a win. Definitely something I'd pick up again.
So out of all these, what we were both going to talk at the same time. Which was your favorite?
Well, for savory,
Well, we only have one savory option. Even it had a little bit of sweetness to it.
yeah, I really like that. I
You like these? Yeah.
Yeah, if I saw these in a market, I'd pick these up again. Hopefully, it would come in a bigger bag. So that's one of these things where you're watching TV, have a bag in front of you in no time, it's empty and very quickly.
I think these might go down a little slower just because of the spiciness. I bet the spiciness will catch up with you.
Maybe.
We'll have to test that theory out.
As far as the sweets, I can see why. I can see why being caught with one of these in another country might get you in prison. Yeah, the chocolate pie, enjoyed. It was good. Like you said, we were expecting it to be somewhat damaged from the heat, but I liked it. That was good. You're a big gummy fan, I know that, but I'd have to go with the churros here.
That's your favorite?
Yeah, I know I mentioned earlier that we go to Trader Joe's. We picked up some churro snacks like this, and it was almost as though what was that cereal? We were just talking about it.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, where it's just like dusted with cinnamon and sugar. This is more
Just right.
Just right. It doesn't seem like it's just coated with sugar, so it's not super overly sweet. So yeah, I'd say this would be my second choice. More importantly, what is your favorite?
I'm gonna have to go with that chocolate pie. I really like that, the banana and chocolate together. That's probably a surprising choice for me because I don't always like the snack cake type items. You know how you always offer me snack cakes. I'm like, nah, no thanks. And
more for me.
More for you. But this one, if you had these, I wouldn't turn that down. So that's it for this month's Universal Yums. If you like food unboxings, food reaction videos, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and until next time, bye-bye.